Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is today's question in which O is center of the circle, P, Q, R and S are 4 points on the circumference of the circle. P, S and Q R when extended meets at point T outside the circle. If angle SOR is 80 degrees, then find angle STR. So let's solve this question. So this is the given figure. Now in this figure we will join point S and Q. SR is the chord of the circle and we know angle subtended at the center of the circle by a chord is twice of the angle subtended at the perimeter. So this angle will be twice of angle SQR, or in other words we can say that angle SQR is half of angle SOR. So this can be written as angle SQR is equal to half of angle SOR. Now SOR is 80 degrees. So angle SQR is equal to 1 by 2 of 80 degrees. This is 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree. Now let us take the figure again. This angle is 40 degree. Now this is the radius of the circle and this is angle in the semicircle. So this angle will be 90 degree. So angle PSQ is 90 degree, angle in the semicircle. Now PST is a straight line. So angle PSQ and TSQ are linear pair. This angle and this angle are the linear pair. So angle PSQ plus angle TSQ is equal to 180 degree. PSQ is 90 degree. So on substituting the value we will get 90 plus angle TSQ is equal to 180 degree, or angle TSQ is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree. Now we will take triangle TSQ. So in this, angle TSQ plus angle SQT plus angle STQ is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. TSQ is 90 degree and SQT is 40 degree. So on substituting the values we will get 90 plus 30 plus angle STQ is equal to 180 degree, which will give angle STQ is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 30. That is STQ is equal to 60 degree. This is STQ. This is 60 degree. Now this can be written as STR. So angle STR is 60 degree. So this was asked in the question. I hope it was very easy to understand and steps were very clear. If you have any doubt, you can write them in the comment section. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.